hail. Balls or pieces of ice falling as precipitation, often in connection with a thunderstorm. Impersonal, of hail, to fall from the sky. Intransitive, to send or release hail. To pour down in rapid succession. Obsolete, healthy, whole, safe. Transitive, to greet, give salutation to, salute. Transitive, to name, to designate, to call. Transitive, to call out loudly in order to gain the attention of. Transitive, to signal in order to initiate communication with. An exclamation of respectful or reverent salutation, or, occasionally, of familiar greeting. H A I L hail.